Greetings, fellow Ambazonians. I want to leave this small message, video message for our population because some few people they don't contact me about the warning we'll put them out due to a meeting will be held for Hausa Quarter for Old Town for Bamenda by a 6-star commissioner, colonial commissioner of police with the imam we naide like chief for all Hausa people and for Hausa Quarter. We'll get audio them for that meeting, and I go choose one independent activist for giving some of those classified information them to reassure our people about the danger where the Cameroon government is the one to put our Muslim community. I don't get a lot of message about Abdul Karim outing for Facebook. Naiwa the camp can send this audio. Maybe una hear very well. Abdul Karim, he do exactly what way Cameroon government he try for do am. That means say Cameroon government he try for set up the Hausa community so that the Ambazonian forces they go target them. Then they go use them for international community for blackmail the Ambazonian struggle like a one way they target minority community them within their country. So now the thing that way Abdul Karim do. Now why that one see say that run campus social media it talks say ADF it target the Hausa community. We need to target Hausa community. As a matter of fact, the warning we will put them for outside now because say the Hausa community na a minority community. If something it happen where they come out from the Hausa community, there is always the danger, unintended danger. Say the people the way they will react, they will likely consider all the Hausa community like possible party to wait it happen. So we'll send out that early warning immediately after we get that intel so that the Hausa community will get time to talk with the people the way they be involved and they know go do what way Cameroon government he want try for do. So Abdul Karim he attempt for talking with the target the entire Hausa community. Not just a lie and not just way Cameroon government want for push them for the international community. Not only the people the way they be involved, them be a subject of interest and nobody else. With it preempt to protect our Hausa community we be very dear for we. We don't talk with the imam we did for inside Kanu for Nigeria. We na intermediary we communicate with the Hausa people them for inside Hausa Quarter. We don't talk with some of their youth leaders them would be engaged with the Hausa people them. Our history with Abdul Karim he never put it for a credible position where we even engage with you when it comes for the classified material the way be involved. So make our Hausa people the way we not listen for this video, maybe we not be assured say we not be a part and parcel of our Ambazonian liberation movement, we not be full citizens and we go an extra mile for protect we not because we not be a protected class of people. There will be no tolerance, there will be no acceptance of any collective targeting of Hausa people. But the danger is real because the enemy is doing everything possible to make you people a victim collectively, and we are doing everything to make sure that it doesn't happen. So make Abdul Karim no begin play with fire, because if you play with fire, fire go burn you. This warning it be very very serious. We don't get the audio them for the meeting. We know the people the way they be there for the meeting. We know some of the boy the way they don't call them. Meet and join, select them, meet and join the vigilante group for inside Old Town. Meet the Hausa community, then Shidong, then talk for meeting. Say they're not there for any collaboration with Cameroon military. We will know. When they talk, even for their chat group, then we go know. Meet and tell all their picking and say me no man no collaborate with Cameroon military. All those conversations then be very important for the Hausa community for send a very clear message to the forces the way they work under a very tough condition to protect the integrity for the people and for fight for the liberation of the Hausa community as when a part for the Ambazonian community within they under this subjugation occupation of Cameroon government. So me all man be blessed and make una stay focused with stay focused to do everything we will do for implement our roadmap for liberate Ambazonia. God bless una.